everybody, and welcome back. And, yeah, it's been a while since I've out there an experiment, so today, I'm actually going to show you the Cyclone Experiment. Oh my god, it is so cool. So, let's get to how we prep her. So, first, so what you need is two little plastic bottles, this thing, or you can use tape, water, and if you want, sparkles. Let's get started. Okay, so what you have to do is take one of these plastic bottles and then pour water in it. Now pour slowly. So I'm using a funnel. Now it has to be halfway, so just give me a minute. So you see, fill it up with water. Make sure it's not all the way to the top, otherwise it'll be really hard to spoil. So, and then we'll put this attachment. Now this is really cool for a Cyclone Experiment, but if we don't have to, we could just use some very sticky, strong kind of tape. So, we're gonna screw this on. And then put the other bottom upside down. Screw this one on. You see? The Cyclone Experiment. Now let's test it out. Alright everybody, get ready. The Cyclone Experiment. Whoa! Check this out! It's like a real cyclone! And it looks even better with the sparkles in, you see? Wow! Thumbs up for this experiment for sure. I could just like to watch this all day. Thumbs up for that for sure. Whoa. Ooh. Ah. Isn't this awesome, guys? I could watch it like all day, guaranteed. You see this? It wasn't even better with the sparkles. Wow, that was so cool. So, well guys, that was my Cyclone Experiment. Wow, you have no idea how much I spent the last time I ever did the Cyclone Experiment. It's the coolest experiment you could do at home. Wow, it's just amazing. All you need is to save a 2 little plastic bottle, like a soda bottle, and then try this experiment out. Oh my god, so I really hope you guys really enjoyed that experiment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and of course, peace out.